Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." With this perspective, how can we create mornings that reflect such a stoic appreciation for life? Today, we bring you a morning routine inspired by the wisdom of Stoicism, designed to set the tone for a peaceful and purposeful day. Before we dive in, I'd greatly appreciate your support by liking this video. It helps me continue spreading the philosophy of Stoicism. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and activating the notification bell to ensure you don't miss any upcoming content. 1. Reflect on the transience of life. A core principle of Stoic philosophy is the awareness of life's impermanence. Each morning, take a moment to embrace this truth. Find a quiet space where you can sit undisturbed, your posture relaxed yet upright, a physical reflection of the balance between calmness and alertness. Close your eyes and imagine the vastness of the universe. Stars being born and dying, galaxies in motion, and within this vast expanse, Earth, a mere dot. Visualize the rise and fall of civilizations, the mountains that stand tall, and rivers carving their paths. Then bring your focus inward, reflecting on your own life as a brief moment in this cosmic tapestry. This exercise isn't meant to diminish your significance, but to highlight the preciousness of your existence. Understanding life's fleeting nature sharpens our focus on what truly matters, helping us rise each day with clarity and purpose. This practice isn't about fearing mortality. It's about cherishing the present with love, reverence, and action. As Seneca wisely said, life is long if you know how to use it. By grounding your mornings in this reflection, you remind yourself to live meaningfully, fully, and with grace. 2. Journal your thoughts. Journaling, deeply rooted in Stoic practice, is more than recording events. It's an intimate dialogue with yourself, an act of introspection, grounding, and growth. Begin by selecting a journal that feels personal to you. It could be a simple notebook, a decorative diary, or a digital document. This space is yours, free from judgment or expectation. Start each morning by jotting down your initial thoughts, whether they're lingering dreams, emotions from the previous day, or anticipations for the day ahead. This process clears mental clutter, like sweeping fallen leaves from a courtyard. Next, shift to gratitude. List 3 things you're genuinely thankful for, whether it's the warmth of your blanket, a loved one's smile, or simply the gift of a new day. Then, reflect on a Stoic principle or a personal challenge. Ask yourself, am I living in alignment with my values? Where did I act impulsively yesterday? And how can I improve today? Finally, set a daily intention based on the Stoic virtues of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Your journal becomes a mirror of your inner world, a tool for self-awareness and growth. As Marcus Aurelius's Meditations demonstrate, journaling is a timeless practice of understanding oneself and navigating life with clarity. 3. Set daily intentions, not goals. While goals focus on future outcomes, intentions anchor us in the present moment, aligning our actions with our values. Stoicism teaches us to distinguish between what is within our control and what isn't. Intentions, unlike external goals, reside firmly within our grasp. They reflect who we aspire to be. Each morning, after journaling, consider the kind of day you wish to experience. Instead of listing tasks, ask, who do I intend to be today? Do you intend to be patient, compassionate, or courageous? Write these intentions as affirmations, such as, today, I will listen more than I speak. I will approach conflicts with understanding. I will seek moments of stillness amidst the chaos. Intentions guide our reactions, decisions, and behaviors. By focusing on virtues over outcomes, you ensure that no matter what the day brings, you remain aligned with your highest self. 4. Embrace discomfort. Modern life often equates comfort with progress, yet Stoics understood that resilience is built through deliberate discomfort. Seneca advised, set aside certain days to be content with the scantiest fare and coarse dress, saying to yourself, is this the condition I feared? This practice isn't about needless suffering, but about cultivating strength and independence. In the morning, introduce small challenges to build mental and physical resilience. A cold shower, for instance, awakens your senses and reminds you of your inner fortitude. Or skip your morning coffee, affirming that your energy stems from within, not external stimulants. Reflect on past hardships, recognizing the growth they brought. Or choose physical challenges like walking or biking instead of driving. These small acts of discomfort train your spirit and provide perspective, helping you appreciate comforts without becoming dependent on them. 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Though Stoicism and mindfulness stem from different traditions, both emphasize living in the present. Epictetus observed, "Men are disturbed not by things, but by the views they take of them." This highlights the power of perception and the importance of presence. Dedicate time each morning to mindfulness. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Observe your thoughts as they arise, letting them pass like clouds in the sky. Reflect on a Stoic principle, such as Marcus Aurelius's words, "The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it." This practice grounds you, helping you face the day with clarity and equanimity. 6. Revisit Stoic teachings. The wisdom of Stoicism is not meant to be read once and forgotten. It requires regular engagement. Each morning, immerse yourself in the writings of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, or Epictetus. Randomly select a passage or use a daily Stoic meditation book. Reflect deeply on its message and consider how it applies to your life. Jot down your reflections to internalize the teaching, but remember that Stoicism is a philosophy of action. Let these lessons shape your choices and guide your virtues throughout the day. 7. Practice amor fati. At the heart of Stoicism lies amor fati, the love of one's fate. This principle is not passive resignation, but an active embrace of life's challenges and triumphs alike. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Each morning, visualize the challenges you might face, seeing them not as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth. This mindset transforms adversity into strength, allowing you to approach the day with gratitude and resilience.